Welcome to our live streams. This is where the grown-ups trade. No hype, no flexing, no TikTok guru nonsense. Just focus, discipline, and respect for the craft. Here we trade gold, the oldest store of value on Earth, at the precision scalping level. That's where trading gets real. Where a single tick too early or too late decides everything. It's the hardest style of trading there is. And the highest form, too, because it demands mastery of mind, structure, and emotion. Execution over ego. Reaction over prediction. Can it be the most lucrative? Yes, but only for those who earn it. There are no shortcuts here. You can't fake discipline at 10-second speed. Most gurus out there sell you dreams from their demo accounts. We build traders who can survive the market on their own terms. We don't promise easy wins. We teach you how to build a system that doesn't break when you do. If you're here, you already know what that takes. Courage, grit, gumption, the willingness to get punched in the face by uncertainty and still show up tomorrow with your rules intact. Because precision scalping isn't just a trading style, it's a mirror. It shows you who you are under pressure, and it forces you to get better, not just as a trader, but as a person. The focus you build here, the emotional control, the ability to act without hesitation, those are life skills. They translate everywhere. So welcome to the Barcelona Trader, where we practice the hardest craft in markets and one of the most rewarding in life. Let's get to work.
What's good, man? Can you hear me?
Hey, yes, I can. I've been,
All right.
we are on YouTube today.
All right. Nice
And-
background.
Oh, yeah. Hang on, let me get you on screen. Let's see. are. All right, spreads are still pretty wide. They've been pretty wide since Thursday or Friday. They've come back a little bit, but if you're trading one contract, we're still looking at spreads from anywhere $100 to $150, which is a lot. You know, I trade with about a $250 or 25 tick stop loss. So if I get into a trade and I'm already 150 down, that doesn't leave me much room before I get stopped out. And that has been an issue for me since mid last week when gold really started going crazy. And it looks like we have come up overnight to 50.91, back down to 50.53 right now. We were even lower than that before we started coming back up. Looks like we went down to 50.13. So it's been a little all over the place. Right? Last night we opened up at 49.93. And then we didn't really stop going up until we got to 50.91, came back down to 50.10. It looks, nope, sorry, 50.13. And now we're at 50.53. We're sitting right above the WPP and right below the DR1. And let's see what we're looking at right now is the 1 minute chart. Let's go check out. VIX is at 19. So I don't know, I think spreads, looks like it's trying to come down. Hopefully spreads will return to normal and we can trade this like run-ups instead of like passengers screaming in a car that's about to crash. Dollar has been on its way down for the past hour. Yields have also kind of been coming down for the past hour. So it looks like, let's see, let's look at the relative strength indicator. Yeah, gold's a tiny bit stronger than the dollar, but they're both pretty weak. Got some room to move, but we've got a pretty strong resistance above us on the 1 minute and the 5 minute Hakanashi on MT4. And again, we're sitting right above the WPP if we're thinking about coming down. You trading spot or futures?
I think I'm trade both. I'm trying to trade both.
Yeah.
I'm in the mood to kind of play with futures, so I'm definitely trading spot, but I'm playing with futures too.
All right. I'm only trading futures today. But maybe I should only trade spot because of these spreads on the futures, yeah.
Yeah, that's true.
My spot account isn't really big enough to make any difference to me, though, so it's more practice than anything.
Right.
This little run down there.
Just checking it out.
So we did get below the WPP, but we're hitting a bull volume on the 5-minute. And then we're going to hit this little bull volume on the 10-second and then a swing low. So if I wanted to get in before, that would have been good, but getting in now would not be a good idea. Does look like gold is weakening, though. So we have ADP here at 8:15, and that is the only data that we have this week until the government opens back up. So I think the market is going to treat this ADP at 8:15 as if it were NFP. And then we have ISM Services PMI at 10.
That's what we got going here.
My aura ring.
Oh yeah, I can do mine too.
So we've got 3 minutes for 8 o'clock. Don't get into a trade. This is not financial advice, but I don't like to get into a trade too close to 8 o'clock unless I can see that it's just going to really be a quick scalp and I can get in and out. But you never know what the market's going to do on these hourly candles.
that the outside of your building? Or is that just backdrop?
That is the outside of the building where I used to live downtown.
Okay.
Do you see? Oh, I see what you're seeing. Let me change what you're seeing. There. Now you see what YouTube sees, I think.
Yeah, exactly. Gold and the dollar is relatively weak.
Oh, look at that drop.
Mm.
That's the 8 o'clock right there. No, sorry, we've got 1 minute for 8 o'clock.
Yeah.
That was the
for
7:59.
8 o'clock.
Yep. Looks like it wants to do another one of those. But look at the support that we're on the 1 minute Hakanashi.
Oh yeah.
Bye, sweetie.
We're coming into 8 o'clock now.
Yep, it's 3, 2, 1, 8 o'clock, right there. I'm just gonna leave that alone because that's acted funny.
Looks like it wants to do a run. I think I'll check it. Yeah, I'm at.
All right, Tono is in a sell. I'm holding off because
And I'm out.
I need us out with a bit of a loss.
Gave him 300 on my bot.
It gave you 300 on your bot, on your spot. Wow, that's
Yeah.
great. Wow,
Yep.
you're done. Good for you. Go back to bed.
Hold on a second. Where is it? No, that's weird. They gave me 211. That sucks.
Huh.
How did it go from 300 to 211?
I saw it like popping back up, probably just as you were getting out.
Oh, that probably did it. Well, that sucks. You got no music playing, you know that?
Oh, sorry. Let's see. Now?
Yeah. Can you turn down just a little?
Yep.
Gold is a little weaker than dollar, but they seem to both be pretty weak today.
Yeah.
We don't have any news, right?
We have 8:15 ADP. So I think the market is going to treat that as if it were NFP because the government shut down and we're not going to get NFP this week. So I'm expecting 8:15 to be pretty volatile.
Boom, put it on.
Did you hear my cymbal crash? Or my microphone weeded it out?
Mm-mm.
No. You said bump, bump,
Yeah,
bump,
we
bump,
did
and then I hit boom.
Oh.
Let's see, here it goes. Can't hear that, huh?
Got a noise canceling microphone.
Yeah. I guess that's why sometimes you can't hear my dog barking when I'm telling her to shut up. So this music is called binaural beats, and it's supposed to focus people who have ADHD.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
You have it on Spotify?
Yeah.
What's it called? Let me look for it.
Binaural.
What's it called?
BINAURAL. Binaural beats. BEATS. Focus, because they have for sleep too.
Okay.
But this one's for focus. Yeah.
How do I save it?
I'm not sure.
Let me say binaural beats.
We have news at 8:15 E-man, and it's probably going to introduce a lot of volatility because it's the only market data that we're going to get this week due to the partial government shutdown. Yeah, I just took $50 on
Got
spot.
around, I'm in. Yeah.
It's hitting a bull volume on the 10 seconds that I got out.
Yeah.
But I got $50 with a $15 lot size.
Good.
Oop, it's getting a little loud. Sorry, I'll turn it down a bit. If it's too loud, let me know.
Okay. gold has gotten weaker and it still wants to go up.
Yeah. Well, it's
Looks like you're
8:15
right.
right now. That must be the ADP. That's the news right there. So what did it say?
Okay.
Came out 22,000, which is very low. So that is bad for the dollar. That's why we're going up here.
Y'all took a trade today?
Yeah, a couple small ones.
Just on spot. I took one spot trade. All right. Well, that news was kind of a dud there. Guess what did it push it up
Yeah.
from 50 to 62? Oh, I guess that was a 12 pip move, wasn't it? I got to. Or sorry, I'm looking at futures. What was that on a? How big of a move was that from?
Two, three pip.
From 32 to 42. That was a 10 pip move.
Look like we're going sideways.
Yeah.
Don't know. I'm in a hedge from 30 to 45.
Why are you spacing so far?
It didn't start out like that.
I hear you.
Yeah, it didn't start like that. It started 5 pips away.
I think the rule of thumb is if you get into a hedge, don't try to get out of it the same day. Just leave it. And rule of thumb. I mean, I think there are exceptions to that rule sometimes, but if I were starting over and I were just learning how to hedge, I think the best advice I would give myself is if you get into a hedge, just assume you're in it for the rest of that day at least. And even if price moves up and down between it, you can't predict it. You can't know that that's what's going to happen, and most likely you're just going to stretch out your hedge.
Right.
Yep. See, it had went up to like 90 last night, somewhere around there.
Yeah. Yep.
And I was asleep when it came back down. I said, I'm gonna catch it on the way back down, just like you saying.
Yeah. Now gold's a little stronger than the dollar, barely. We're hitting the WPP right now. So this might be where it turns back around. COMEX is open now.
Right, it's up now. Let's see if I can get out that thing when it's coming back down.
We're hitting the WPP, so it might have trouble getting up through this.
Yeah.
I'm in at 45 on the buy end. So let's see what I can get out of it. Have to let it knock his head against the wall a few times.
Yeah, if it turns back around and comes back down, I guess that's what. That's a nice sell there.
Keep going.
Are you in?
No, I'm in on my spot, but not on futures.
Mm-hmm. in this.
You ain't on the buy.
So I should have been on the buy. It hooked me out.
Yeah, it's trying to go up.
That was
Yeah.
a fake out.
That was a fake out. It's pushing up through
A
WPP
serious
now.
fake out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's why I didn't try to get out the hedge at the top.
Yeah, good move. Or maybe that was the fake out. Now it's coming back down.
No, it's a fake out. Gold is still stronger. So yeah. Just sucking everybody into that sell.
Yeah. Yeah. Wow.
Hey, on trading view, don't it shows if gold is stronger than the dollar and stuff like that?
No, that's the FX Blue chart.
There is a there are several ways to see it on TradingView, but I don't like them as much.
Okay.
Sit on your hands, Jamboree here.
Yep. Gold is definitely choking the dollar. Even when it tries to go down, chokes it back.
Yeah. Now it seems to be finding support on the WPP. One minute for 8:30. $7:30 in Mississippi.
Day 30.
There it is. Yep.
Not making it easy for us, is it?
No,
No,
I took a
not
little.
at all.
I took a little buy on spot right there as it dipped because I think ultimately we're going back up to retest 50.91.
Hmm.
But I'm $50 in the hole right now, so I'm thinking of getting out. Come on, Gromit, give me a little bit. There we are. Get out with $10 in profit.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, it's better than nothing.
You gonna take a sell, Tono? I mean a buy?
I'm taking nothing.
Yeah, I mean, I ain't take nothing yet. I'm scared.
Oh, I'm glad I took that little profit on the buy because now we're coming back down. This looks like it's a sell, though.
Creeping though.
Yeah.
What'd you say, Tono? You said it was breathing?
Creeping.
Creeping. Yeah. Like a Mississippi boy at a hootenanny. Creeping.
You said at a what? Hoop nanny?
I said like a Mississippi boy at a hootenanny. I don't even know what a hootenanny is.
I was gonna ask when you said it, but I left it alone. I said
What is a hootenanny? Isn't it like a shindig? It's like a get together.
It would seem like that's what it is.
Oh, I thought somebody from Mississippi would definitely know what a hootenanny is. I'm gonna, I'm gonna look it up. I don't even know how to spell it, so I'm
we we more modern than you think.
gonna. All right, here's what it says. A hootenanny is an informal, often raucous gathering or party, specifically a folk music concert or sing-along popular in the 1940s to the 1960s in American culture, originating as an Appalachian term for a unspecified gadget or a thingamajig. It later evolved into a term for a lively musical party.
Thingamajig.
Ain't no skin on the bones for me today. It just looks like blah.
Yeah.
You
Yeah.
know?
Yeah, futures here. The spreads are too big. If it makes a nice move here down, I'd like to take it. I still think I can. Ah, come on. What's going on here with my chart? Stop that. Ah. Yeah. There we go. Oh, I know why that was happening. See what the dollar's doing. Dollar's been going up. Yields have been going up. Strange because the economic data ADP was bad for the dollar, but dollar's going up, so I think we could expect a little, I don't know, little come down on gold. I don't know.
Took me that long to get out of that cell.
Oh, really?
245 for the day, which completely sucks.
Yeah, this is at least for me with my spreads, this is pulling teeth.
Yeah.
Nah. This is not safe trading. It's not safe trading.
No, not at all. Yeah.
My wife asks me about 5 times a day, is trading gonna work? Is trading gonna work? And I'm like, it's not like I'm reinventing the wheel here. There are a lot of people. Trading works excellent for you. I'm not trying to. It's not like I'm trying to build a new product that nobody wants to buy. It's just trading, and I'm a good trader now.
Right.
I'm a good trader now. Getting withdrawals. They're slow. They're small, but they're
Yeah.
coming. They're coming.
And when you get it and you really got it, it's a whole new game.
Yeah, yeah.
Once the faucet gets turned on.
Right.
You know.
I've got a little trickle coming out of the faucet, taking a couple small payouts, but I'm waiting for the big ones. And in the meantime, I'm just getting more and more selective with my trades, and especially in this
Right.
kind of market, you have to be so much more careful. Does look like spreads have come down a little bit. They're now about ranging between $50 and $80. But I like it when they're between 10 and 30. We got 4 pips on spot today.
Yeah, I think I'm done. I've only got less than $250. I can't squeeze a dime out of this today.
Yeah, it's not
You
worth
know.
it. Yeah. I'm gonna give it till a few minutes after 9, since we're on YouTube. And when you're, if you have some time this afternoon, let's go over those documents and
Okay, yeah, I'm around.
execute the
I
stuff.
just got to go to motor vehicles, get my license at 2 o'clock.
Oh, nice. Okay.
Man, have you ever been to motor vehicles and it was a madhouse?
Yeah. Yep.
They switched it up all in Jersey now. Now it's by appointment only. I went in there to do it yesterday,
Uh-huh.
and it was like nobody in there. And they said, "Oh, you got to have an appointment." I said, "All right." So I got to go back today.
Ah, nice.
And I was surprised. I was like, "Wow, this is a big difference."
Yeah, it's so much better. Yeah, it's always a madhouse at DMV. I've been there so many times, and it's a madhouse. Especially here in Manhattan.
Yeah. I think when I lived there, I used to have to go to the one downtown
Mm-hmm.
near Battery, I think it was.
Yeah, yep. That used to be in my
Right.
building. My office used to be in that building.
Oh, really? Wow.
Yeah. Well, wait, that's not in the financial district. I guess I don't know about Battery.
Yeah. Well, I thought it was financial district. Yeah.
Yeah.
Not for me today, fellas. I'm out.
All
I'm not
right.
even gonna wait till 9 to trick me into taking a bad trade.
Yeah. I'm gonna
Yeah.
sit through 9, but I doubt I'm gonna
Okay.
trade.
All right.
All right.
Maybe
Have a
I'll
good
come
one,
back
Tony.
later in the afternoon.
All right.
All right, I'll be around.
Let me know if you.
All right,
Yeah.
fellas.
Okay. See ya.
Peace.
It's good to see the spreads are getting closer to normal. About 1.5 minutes till the hourly candle. One minute. There it is, 9 o'clock. Ah, gotta get stopped out. All right, I'm done.
Okay, I didn't even realize Tono was out.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, I can't trade. I'm in the second hedge at 59.
Yeah. Yeah. I was a little bit early. I could have taken some profit on that, but whipsawed me.
I keep being a little bit early. All right.
All right. I'll catch you this evening if you're around. You got church probably, though, right? It's Wednesday.
Yeah, I got church. Yeah, I got church tonight.
All right.
All
All
right,
right.
bro.
I'll see you tomorrow. Have a good one.
Time to you.
All right. Bye-bye. All right, YouTube. You see what happened there? I'm going to call it. Hang on, I got to change my stats panel. A loss. And I took a loss on the only one that really mattered. I was trading my spot account from those 2 wins that are up there on the screen. You know, which is win's a win, right? But it's a small account. Doesn't really, you know, it's not really where I measure my success. This last trade, which I took a loss on of about 250, 270. That was on my futures account where I'm trading a lot of contracts. That was 16 contracts, 15 contracts. So that was a significant loss. All right, we'll come back and do it again this evening, about 7:45. Okay. So let's see here. Let's get our outro music going, right? I'll catch you then. Catch you tonight.